All right, my dear student, welcome back to your French language course online. This is Chidi Igwe. In the previous lesson, I told you that the book we're going to use is Liberté. I told you also that I have gone into Liberté and extracted the information that is there and rearranged things in units to enable me teach this course the way I would prefer to teach it. And in this lesson, I am going to identify the learning objectives of Unit 1. The reason it is important to identify the learning objectives right from the beginning is it will help you as a student to focus on what really matters. That way you can manage your time properly and focus and make sure that you are really understanding the things that you need to understand. I mentioned that Liberté, each chapter provides 3 global learning objectives: communication, culture, and grammar. So the units will also follow that format. So each unit will have its own learning objectives that identify certain things that you need to target, but also helps you with the strategy to target them. So the first global learning objective in Unit 1 is culture. And under culture, you should be able to understand a brief history of the French language. So you should be able to understand how it became a language and the origins of the French language. And also, you are going to be able to know what we mean when we say standard French. So that means that you are exposed to the concept of variety of French language, different varieties of French language. And then you should be able to know certain countries that speak French. So exposure to the Francophone world. You should have some level of exposure to the Francophone world by knowing the countries that speak French. Francophone world. So these are the key learning objectives from culture perspective for Unit 1. Now let me add another page here. From grammar perspective, grammar and language, you are going to learn the French alphabet. So we say l'alphabet français. L'alphabet français. So you should understand how to read the French alphabet. You should understand the difference between l'alphabet français and l'alphabet phonétique international. So the International Phonetic Alphabet. You are going to have some tips on pronunciation. So you should be able to learn some tips such as nasal sounds, French accents that will help you when you begin to pronounce French words. And the next thing that we want to know from grammar perspective, grammar and language perspective, is how to count. So we should learn how to count numbers 0 to 100. That's the basic target, but also you're going to have information, general tips on how you can count up to billions. So counting. And now from communication, point of view, you are going to be able to use the knowledge of French alphabet and the knowledge of International Phonetic Alphabet to be able to articulate and spell some words, including your name. So you're going to be able to learn how to spell words in French, spelling, and you will learn how to introduce yourself, introduction of self and of others. So you should be able to tell people your name and understand people when they tell you their names. You should be able to spell your name when you tell somebody your name. You're going to be able to provide number-based information. You'll be able to use numbers to provide information. So just say number-based info. So yeah, you'll be able to tell, for example, the population of your country, the population of certain countries. You should be able to do that in French. And you'll be able to do basic math. You should be able to understand basic mathematical signs such as plus, minus, division, multiplication, equal to, and those kind of things. So we say math symbols or signs. And you should be able to add up numbers in French. For example, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is whatever it is. You should be able to handle those kind of basic things in French language. So these are the general learning objectives of the unit. And if at any point by the time you finish the unit and you're not able to do these things, then you need to let me know so that we can figure out how to help you. If you need extra support to be able to do those things, we will create time for you to do that. Merci.